Hey guys, it's Kara-Leigh, and I'm also known as That Beauty Addict. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you like my videos. If you do, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. So, I've been in the beauty business now for over 25 years. I started out getting my cosmetology license, and I worked in salons doing hair. And then I decided that I wanted to go back to school for makeup and skincare because I wanted to get into the beauty business, doing makeup and skincare. So after I did that, I got my certification as a makeup artist, and I worked for MAC Cosmetics for about 7 years. And I also did freelance work for some other cosmetic lines like Borghese, Chanel, and NARS, as well as MAC. And then I decided to go into direct sales. I was doing that for a while, a couple different makeup companies, but I decided that I wanted to be an affiliate with some major makeup companies, and that's where I have found my passion. Doing digital marketing and making videos, teaching people how to do their makeup, but also using the products that I demonstrate on myself and other people to sell. So I'm actually an affiliate for a couple different makeup lines that I really, really like. So generally, that's what you're going to find on my YouTube channel. Most of the videos that I do are unboxings of promotional boxes that the companies send me and they want me to promote and use and show you, as well as products that I've purchased as well from these companies. So that's basically what you're going to find on my YouTube channel. I also have a fashion line that I also promote as well, and occasionally I come on here with some of the clothes and fashions as well. But mostly you're going to find it to be hair and makeup and skincare, because that's really where my passion is. So if you ever have any questions about makeup or skincare, or you want me to do a video on something, be sure to reach out to me. I'm always looking for new exciting videos to do, so I can help you with makeup and even getting the right colors and getting the right skincare, whatever you need for your skin. That's what I'm here for. So anyway, so I hope you enjoy my videos, and like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. It's greatly appreciated. And if you ever need to reach out to me, all my information is in my description. If you need to find me, reach out to me, have a conversation with me about anything, I'm here for you. I'm your girl. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.